Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Kindly subscribe, share my channel. So today we'll talk about physical properties of matter, and we talk the chemical properties of matter. So first we have extensive property. They are the ones that depend on how much matter is present. They cannot be used to identify the substance since they change depending on the condition and the sample size. So example here: volume, weight, mass, length and size. Now we'll talk about the intensive properties. Intensive properties depend on the identity of the substance, not the amount. So they are the ones that they do not on how much of the substance is present in the sample. They can be used to identify the substance. Example: boiling point, melting point, freezing point, states of matter, color, order, temperature, luster, hardness, density, malleability and ductility. Now we talk about the physical properties. They can be observed without changing the identity of a substance. Example: boiling point, temperature at which the substance boils. Melting point, temperature at which the substance melts. States of matter, states at room temperature. Color, order, does it smell. Magnetism, is it attracted to magnet. Density, ductility, can it be pulled out into wires. Electrical conductivity, does it conduct electricity. Solubility, does it dissolve in water, in acetone. Now we'll talk about the chemical properties. They cannot be observed without changing the identity of the substance. To test these properties, we need to produce a chemical change. Example: flammability, does it catch fire. Tarnish, does it get dark with the air. Rusting, does it form an oxide. Reaction with water, reaction with acid, and reaction with metals. Now I'm going to share the signs of a chemical changes. Here you have some example: change in color, change in order, formation of gas, formation of a precipitate, change in light or heat. So you can see there is some chemical changes when iron rusting, burning, cooking an egg, baking a cake, electroplating, banana rotting, vinegar plus baking soda, and fireworks. Determining the density of irregular solid. Introduction. The purpose of this experiment to understand the meaning of significance of the density of a substance. Density is a basic physical properties of a homogeneous substance. It is an intensive property, which means it depends only on the substance composition and does not vary with size or amount. The determination of density is a non-destructive physical process for distinguishing one substance from another. Density is the ratio of a substance mass to its own volume. D is equal to m over v, mass upon volume. Density of irregular solid. Purpose of the lab: determine the density of three different irregular solid. Material: 50 milliliter graduated cylinder, digital balance, rubber stopper, and tap water. For the density of a liquid, the purpose of the lab: determine the density of three different liquids. We need the material: 10 ml graduated cylinder, digital balance, distilled water, alcohol, acetone. These are the things which is required at the moment when we are going to have a lab with the liquids. So Jazakallah for today. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.